This sprawling enclosure at the Radha Swami Satsang Byas at Chhatarpur served as a discourse center for 2 lakh devotees. It will now house COVID patients after being converted into a makeshift hospital with 10,000 beds. With Delhi projected to touch 1 lakh cases by the end of June, preparations are on a rapid pace, with both the LG and the Chief Minister overseeing them. Cardboard beds will be discarded after one use. Ample social distancing between beds, spacing between any 2 enclosures, lights, fans, CCTV cameras and PA systems are already in place. There are plans for vinyl flooring and installation of more CCTV cameras for real-time monitoring of patients.
This enclosure has 100 beds and aims to have 1 doctor and 2 nurses attached to the patients when they come over here. Similarly, in this entire area of 29 acres of land, 99 more such enclosures will come up. When it is ready, this aims to be one of the world's largest, if not the largest makeshift hospital. The target is 1st of July, and when it is up and running, it certainly will provide relief to Delhi.
The Radha Swami Satsang Byas will provide 3 meals a day to patients. 2 of its administrative buildings will be used for offices, for doctors and nurses, and for storage of PPE kits. 500 toilets, 450 bathing rooms, 300 wheelchairs will also be available. Parking space for 1,500 vehicles and abundant space for passage of ambulances is already in place. Doctors and trained staff will be provided by the ITBP and Army. There will be provision for oxygen concentrators in each block, but critical patients will be shifted out of here to hospital. With cases on the rise and the capital running out of beds, this infrastructure is sorely needed to provide COVID care. With Rupashi Nanda, this is Swastika Das for CNN News 18.